Okay folks, here is a drill start of the JX85. Finally got it to patch, and let's see what happens. Almost. Okay. Now let's try it again. Oh. I jerked my drill. Get a couple squirts of carb cleaner. Try again. Oh well. Okay. This carburetor must be plugged. Fill that carb up so it cleans out the carb. Okay. Oh well. You see it okay? In there? Take 4. Getting close. Jeez, right, this is going. I'm gonna have no carb cleaner left. I'm gonna fill that float right up with crap. And get all that. I think she's got bad lines or a bad carburetor. I don't know. The new carburetor runs about $112. Take 6. Let's take 5. Yeah, take 5 in the set. Okay, here we go. Progress. Okay, let's try cranking it and I'll spray it. Okay, here we go. Try again. Whoa, that smells better already. Cleans all that crap. Okay, here we go. Almost. Here we go. Sure beats pulling it by hand with the homemade electric start. I'm guessing this carburetor's worn out if it's not keeping running, so. Oh well, keep cranking it. Battery's got. Have a lot of crap in that gas tank because the gas cap's leaking. Yeah. Oop, how did I do it? I touched my sleeve. That's okay. Ready? Here we go. had crap in the tank. You could smell it. Smell that crap? Okay. Big backfire. That means it's doing its magic. Okay, here we go. Oh no, 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 no. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Okay, drag it. The battery's getting low. Yeah, the battery's getting dead. Yeah. Oh, no, 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 no. Ah. Oh, well. At least I tried. Whee! Hi! Well, folks, that was the drill start of the JX85. I'll try again tomorrow. Hopefully I can get it going, so take care. And you all have a great day. Bye.